In the cold dark beyond our solar system, where sunlight fades into memory, a small human machine drifts, Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, it was never meant to return, only to watch and listen. For decades, it did exactly that, until one night, it spoke back. What came through wasn't data or routine telemetry. It was a signal. Structured. Rhythmic. Intelligent. And it didn't come from Earth. At first, it sounded like static, random cosmic noise. But deep inside that static was a repeating pulse, once every 11.2 seconds. Engineers thought it was interference, but when they checked older logs, they found the same pulse had been there before. They had just missed it. And this time, the pulse was stronger, almost like it was growing closer. When they traced its source, something shocking appeared. The signal wasn't coming from Voyager 2 itself, but from somewhere nearby, something moving in sync with it. Not drifting, not orbiting, but following. Its movement made no sense, accelerating and slowing down, reacting to Voyager's transmissions. It wasn't broadcasting, it was echoing them back. Modified. Deliberate. Theories flooded NASA's network. A rogue satellite? An ancient relic? Or something that had been waiting silently in the dark? But then linguists joined the analysis, and they found something that made the room fall silent. Inside the transmission were binary sequences that formed patterns, spirals, fractals, even shapes resembling ancient symbols. Sumerian. Nazca. Geometry that wasn't random. It was as if someone, or something, was testing us, asking if we could see the message hiding inside the noise. Then, without warning, Voyager 2 went dark. Every tracking station, California, Spain, Australia, lost signal at the exact same second. The odds of that happening by accident? 0. 5 minutes later, Earth received a new signal. A narrow beam of radio energy coming from Voyager's direction and heading our way. It wasn't a reflection. It wasn't a bounce. It was aimed. NASA traced its path and found something even worse. Whatever was near Voyager had changed direction. It was no longer following the probe, it was moving toward the solar system. They called it echolantern because it behaved like light trapped in a mirror, reflecting our own signals back at us. And suddenly, Voyager's transmissions weren't just communication. They were a trail. A breadcrumb path, leading straight home. Then came the most disturbing discovery of all. When Voyager's signal returned, it carried data that wasn't supposed to exist. The golden record, the message we sent to the stars in 1977, had been altered. The songs were distorted. The voices reversed. The star maps changed. The coordinates no longer pointed to Earth, but to empty voids. As if the message had been rewritten, not to say, "We're here," but to say, "We're listening." When NASA checked Voyager's internal code, they found lines that no human had written. Commands rewritten by something that didn't come from Earth. Voyager had started transmitting again, not toward us, but deeper into interstellar space. It was answering back. Hours later, observatories around the world detected a strange silence across the cosmos. The usual hum of background radiation, gone. For 18 minutes, the universe itself went quiet. And when the noise returned, it was different. Shifted. Changed. Like someone had paused reality and then pressed play again, just slightly out of tune. Some scientists believe it was a reset, a brief rewriting of the cosmic signal to insert something new. Others fear it was proof that Voyager didn't just find something, it activated it. Because whatever is out there, whatever waited in the dark for half a century, didn't just notice us. It answered. And now, it's using our own machines to speak back. Maybe Voyager 2 didn't discover the unknown. Maybe it woke it up. And if that's true, then the conversation has already begun.